How to export animation in Krita. In this video, we will discuss how you can export the animation in Krita and have it as an MP4 or other video containers. So in order to do this, first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is krita.org. Head over and download Krita if you haven't yet. But if you already downloaded it and you already created an animation, what you can do is you can just head over to that particular file. So for example, on that file, click onto this file option right here and click onto this render animation. Now once you have clicked on this, you can see this export options. Just choose in here which kind of export you want. It can be image sequence, video, or both. In my case, I'll choose video, and in here, just choose in here the first frame, the width, FPS, last frame, height, filter, and the likes. We have in here video options. You can render it as MPEG for video and choose in here that. Name in here the video location and click on OK. And once you have done that, you can see in here that we already animated or exported the actual file. So that's how you export animation in Krita. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.